So for the next decade, as a crypto CEO, for the next decade, would you bet on gold or would you bet on Bitcoin?
I think it's a good question. Personally, I'm betting on both. I hold Bitcoin. I hold a pretty decent amount of Bitcoin. I also hold a pretty decent amount of gold. And so with that, I think there's a place for both in the market. I think Bitcoin is going to continue being a more speculative investment, and so that's not something that it has reached the whole, it's a hedge against inflation or, the whole digital gold standpoint. I don't think it's there yet. I think it could at some point. But with that, I think when we see that, it'll be a lot less volatile, which people might not like. People like the volatility in Bitcoin. And so I would recommend holding both. To be honest, I would have maybe a slightly larger position in gold right now just because of sort of how the world's going. But both assets, if you look at a 10-year time frame, I think they're both going to be up tremendously, and they would both be good assets to hold.